Hello everyone, it's me, Meteorology of Noah here. Today, I will be giving you guys an update on the newly formed Tropical Storm Alberto. If you find this update useful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on all post notifications so you don't miss when I post a video. Alrighty, let's move on to talk about the newly formed Tropical Storm. Okay, so as you can see here, we have our first named storm of the season, Tropical Storm Alberta. It was changed from Potential Tropical Cyclone 1 to Tropical Storm Alberta because it has gained all the characteristics of a tropical storm. It was lacking the circulation around the center, so that's why it was a Potential Tropical Cyclone 1. Now it has finally gained it, so that's why it's now Tropical Storm Alberta. So the storm's impacts have already started. I've got a couple videos I'm going to show you of the impacts, and so you can see like what to expect throughout the night. So in this first clip, you can see that the storm surge has already started. Not only that, it is starting to cause flash flooding, which is a major concern, especially for cars and buildings, and also the houses in the video, which are considered buildings. And also I would like to mention that the part of Texas that is getting the rain and storm surge the most is under a drought. So it would help the drought, however, since the ground is very dry, it would not be able to absorb all the rain, storm surge water, which then causes the flooding to happen because it's so much water that the ground can't even absorb it. Also, another concern is houses and buildings like these ones being flooded and collapsing because the water is so strong that it can force its way through the doors and windows of houses. If there aren't any wood on the windows and sandbags in front of the doors to protect it from the flooding. So that is another big concern as the water heads in. And as a reminder, this clip will be in the description so you guys can check it out for yourselves too. I would also like to show you this clip here because even though the chance of tornadoes and waterspouts are low, there was a waterspout spotted offshore that most likely didn't make it onshore, which is great news. But this does serve as a reminder that even though the chance of something is small, it is still a possibility it can happen. And as for tropical storm landfall and impacts, it is still expected to make landfall on the eastern coast of Mexico, around here. And for the impacts, the main impacts are still flooding, and wind could be strong at times, and there is still a chance for tornadoes, like you just saw with the last clip. So, once the storm passes, I will make a video highlighting some clips and pictures of any wind or flooding damage or possible and tornado damage too that I can find. Anyways, if you find this video useful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on all post notifications, and I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye.